Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to report income from a side hustle on TurboTax in 2025. It's going to be a quick one, so let's not waste any time at all and just jump straight into it. The first step is going to be to gather necessary documents. So you want to collect your side hustle income statements, as well as expense receipts and any other related documents such as invoices for services rendered and bank statements showing side hustle income. And once you have those documents, go ahead and sign into your TurboTax account. Go to TurboTax website and sign in using your email address and your password. And once you're logged into your account, you're just going to select the tax year that you want to report your side hustle income for. Next step is going to be to choose self-employment income as from the income menu, and then select the type of side hustle that you have, such as freelancing or consulting. Next step is going to be to enter your total side hustle income, including any income from clients, customers, or from sales. Next step, you can go ahead and claim business deductions for your side hustle, including expenses for equipment, supplies, and travel. The final step is going to be to review your side hustle income report and submit it to the IRS, and they're going to take care of the rest. That's pretty much it on how to report income from a side hustle on TurboTax in 2025. I hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did, like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one.